What is up, people? It is I, Venice, not like the freaking beach. And today, I'm gonna be doing my hair. I'm gonna twist my hair today. I'm tired. I wanna put this away. I wanna put my puff away. It's a lot of work. She's thriving. She's healthy. She's poofing. She's doing her things. But I just don't want to do my hair every day. I'm sick of it. So I got hair, but I'm just like genuinely from the bottom of my heart sitting here contemplating if I feel like braiding for 12 hours. I'm like contemplating all my life decisions. I'm like, I was motivated, okay? I went to the beauty supply. I got the hair, I got the stuff, I got the clips, I got the comb, I got everything that I needed to succeed. I got the charms, I got everything. But then I was like, as soon as I sat down to officially do it, I was like, I started thinking I gotta wash it, I gotta do the blow dry, I gotta do the whole thing, I gotta do the sectioning, I gotta do the thing. I wanna do it, y'all. What time is it? It's 3:35. I literally probably won't even finish this till like 2 or 3 in the morning. But then I want to do my hair for hella months. Or like for hella weeks, I should say. For like a month and a half. So that would be kind of good. Oh, God. Oh, I got my nails done. I literally meant to vlog whenever I got. That's so cute, right? Look at the glitter. Can you see? Procrastinating. Let me at least show y'all the hair I got, okay? Maybe I'll motivate myself. I'll be back. Beauty Bees, if you live in the valley, go to Beauty Bees. They're black-owned beauty supply. So I'm gonna go dark. My last braids I had were red. I feel like I could insert a picture right here. So I'm gonna go dark. I'm not in the mood for what am I not in the mood for? Light hair. I'm not in the mood for light hair right now. So I'm gonna twist all the way down. I'm doing dark hair. I got 6 packs of these. I just really don't know what I want. It's like I want the hair. I just want to, and it's done. Like, it's done. I don't want to do the braids. This is the edge control I've been using for my twists. I like it. It's, wait, can you see? There you go. I like it. It's yellow. It's got honey in it. So I like it. I feel like I'm just beating around the bush. That's why literally I can't even get a sentence out because I just don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. And then also I feel like I might miss my poof ball. But then I'm not going to miss doing my poof ball because you got to do the twist out, the whole situation. And I feel like just like, and I know when I come out of these twists, my hair's going to be longer. Fuck it. Okay. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. Cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better.
You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. This is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. This is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. This is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. From time to time, before you do anything stupid, think before you speak your mind. 'Cause
My bad, y'all. I completely forgot to record my outro, but here's some clips of me in these braids. They were so freaking cute. Already can't wait to reinstall them. But thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Insta, and I'll catch you in my next video.